Samsung's next major chapter is getting closer, and the buzz around the Galaxy S26 lineup is growing louder by the day. The launch timing is still floating around with conflicting dates, but the clues keep dropping one after another. Hardware leaks have revealed almost everything already, which means the spotlight is now shifting towards software. And that's where things start getting exciting. Fresh Galaxy S26 Ultra wallpapers have surfaced online, and they're already stirring curiosity. There's something oddly satisfying about testing new wallpapers early, and this Ultra pack of 6 feels like Samsung quietly teasing its design language. Daryl Man Mikey claims these wallpapers came directly from Ultra firmware. With Ice Universe backing the same, you know the leaks aren't random noise. Each wallpaper carries its own color tone, possibly hinting at the final shades Samsung will offer across the S26 family. A bright orange, seen earlier in S26 Plus leaks, and a deep gray or black that aligns with the latest Ultra color reports both make an appearance. We still don't know how Samsung will divide these across models, but the unified look suggests a coordinated theme. All 6 wallpapers share one strong design choice, a prominent S centered boldly on the screen. It feels familiar but noticeably refined. The S uses a polished, glass-like effect that echoes early One UI 8.5 visuals. The 3D styling also hints at Samsung possibly revisiting 3D elements in its interface. A glowing center makes things even more intriguing, raising questions about what it subtly represents. That luminous middle section might be Samsung signaling its new transparent style aesthetics, or maybe it's a subtle nod toward internal upgrades within the S26 series. Whether it ties to more advanced AI features or improvements like smoother wireless charging is still unclear. And when you compare this to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's color lineup, Samsung likes giving users bold black options. The S25 Ultra's jet black brings a fully blacked out frame and panel, while titanium black mixes a dark panel with a silver frame, creating two very different personalities. Even within the black category, Samsung creates variety. But for the S26 Ultra, Ice Universe claims the black version will go for an all-black frame, ditching the silver frame style used in the S25's titanium black. This update might sound small, but visually it makes the bezels appear sharper and more defined. And just like before, Samsung is expected to keep 2 black variants, titanium black and jet black, but this time both could feature black frames while still offering noticeably different shades. Thanks to 2 fresh leaks, we're getting clear insight into what each S26 model might bring. Universe Ice shared detailed specs for the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, though there's no sign of an S26 Edge this time. The main upgrade across the lineup is the shift to either the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Samsung's Exynos 2600, depending on the region. Beyond that, the improvements are surprisingly modest compared to what many fans expected. The standard S26 might increase its display size from 6.2 to 6.3 inches and see a battery jump from 4,000 to 4,300 mAh. Other elements, camera setup, RAM, storage, and charging, appear unchanged. The S25 Plus also mirrors its predecessor closely, with its only notable adjustment being a weight change from 190 grams to around 194 grams. As for the S26 Ultra, upgrades are settled here as well, but there's one standout change. The 10-megapixel telephoto camera may receive a larger sensor, improving detail and clarity. Wired charging could also move from 45 watts to 60 watts, giving users faster top-ups. Samsung is even rumored to make the device slightly slimmer, though not dramatically thinner. Some Samsung fans might feel this slow, iterative approach falls short, especially as competitors push bigger jumps each year. Meanwhile, another leak from tipster The 1C claims the Galaxy S26 has appeared on a test server running One UI 8.5. If true, this could signal an early January launch, although nothing is locked in just yet, and the mystery continues.